Most people think AI is smart on its own, but the truth is, how you use AI matters more than the AI itself. Here are proven techniques to use AI effectively. First, good prompting. Be clear and specific. Instead of saying, "Explain AI," say, "Explain AI in simple terms for a first-year ICT student using examples." Second, role-based prompting. Tell AI who to act as: a teacher, a software engineer, a business advisor. This sharpens the answers instantly. Third, use task, context, and output style. Say what you want, who it's for, and how it should be delivered. Fourth, ask step by step. This is powerful for math, programming, and problem solving. Fifth, use AI for learning, simplifying hard topics, summarizing notes, and generating quizzes. Sixth, use AI for programming, writing code, debugging errors, and explaining code line by line. Seventh, use AI for writing, but always review and edit to avoid plagiarism. And finally, iterate. Ask AI to improve, simplify, or add examples.
AI isn't magic, it's a skill, and now you know how to use it.